All right, so let's write down so our title is Multiplying Powers. It'll not be a long note. And make sure we get the date. The date is 25th of September. And as always, we'll just do a bit of a recap. We knew that 2 to the power of 3 rather than give me the answer of 2 to the power of 3, actually give me the answer for 2 to the power of 3. What's 2 to the power of 3?
8.
Okay? It is 8. Okay, good. Why is it 8? How do we get 8 from 2 to the power of 3? Tyler? Good one, Tyler. You do 2 times 2 times 2. How many 2's have I got here? Okay, good. We also know that 2 to the power of 4 is
16.
Because it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, how many 2's have I got here?
12.
Okay, good. So if I ask you the question, what is 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4? We're going to say, no calculators, written as a power. Yeah, so we're writing all this out, okay? Written as a power. So like something to the power of something.
Oh!
Yes. So as a power, as an exponent.
It's the same.
Yeah. It would, but we want to write it as something to the power of something else. Okay? Okay, let's get this copied, Ryan. I'm actually just going to change the color of these, so you just keep them as they are, it's fine. Why do I keep losing that? So 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4. So I'm just going to change the color, I'm going to keep them the same though. So I had 2 to the power of 3, and let's do this one in 2 to the power of 4. And we have to write our answer as something to the power of something, okay? Now you've already told me, what is 2 to the power of 3? Okay, but give me it as written out kind of the long way. 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so that is the same as 2 times 2 times 2. I've got we're multiplying that by right, good. I'm multiplying it by, come on, pen. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, okay? Remember 2 to the power of 4 is just 2 multiplied itself 4 times. So what do I get when I do all of that? What do I get out? What's the answer going to be? How can I rewrite this? Okay, now I want it written as a power. Hands up, stop, and everybody think. Okay, so look, remember if I've got, looking at the board, if I've got 2 times 2 times 2, that's 2 to the power of 3. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 2 to the power of 4. What is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2? Oscar? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. How many have I got?
7.
I've got 7 too, so it's 2 to the power of 7. So 2 cubed times 2 to the 4 is 2 to the power of 7.
That's easy.
It is.
You just add
Right.
Can you do that on your calculator?
No, you can't do these, unfortunately, really on your calculator. You can check them on your calculator, but you can't actually do them.
Yeah, mine says
Okay, what about this one, right? Write the answer, sorry, I should say.
do a big one.
So write the answer as a power. So we're going to say 3 squared multiplied by 3 to the power of, yeah, let's say 5. So make sure we're getting all this down. Okay, so when we're multiplying the powers, like 3 squared times 3 to the 5, we are adding the powers together. 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7, okay?